Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial on mastering domain name discovery. Whether you're starting a new business, blog, or personal project, finding the perfect domain name is a crucial first step. In this video, we'll show you how to check domain availability and generate the best domain ideas. Let's get started. The first step is to check if your desired domain name is available. A domain name is like your online address, and it needs to be unique. Let's head to a domain registrar like web.com or chemicloud.com or other of your choice. Web.com and chemicloud, why we are saying because web is perfect for find best domain name and chemicloud is best place to buy domain name and hosting. Because chemicloud offers free domain with hosting plan. That's why I recommend you to visit the link in description to buy domain from chemicloud. Here, you can enter your desired domain name in the search bar. The registrar will then check if the domain is available. If your chosen domain is available, great. You can proceed to register it with web.com or copy that domain name. Visit chemicloud.com and paste that domain and proceed to buy. It doesn't matter. Both are trusted domain service provider. Pricing may vary according to country and current offers. We have added chemicloud and web.com link in description below for your convenience. If domain name is not available, don't worry. We'll move on to the next step. Now, let's talk about generating the best domain ideas. It's important to have a memorable and relevant domain name. Now go to AI Domain Name Generator tool. As you can see on the screen, here you can add some keywords that related to your business or interest. This tool will generate domain names ideas and it will show you their availability also. If you find best domain, you can proceed. Now here is another interesting part. If you are an experienced web developer, so I will suggest you to buy domain and web hosting from chemicloud because chemicloud offering hosting and best price with free domain. And if you are just beginner and you don't have enough knowledge about web building, so can choose web.com web builder tool also. That will help you to create a stunning professional website with any technical issues. Remember, finding the perfect domain name is a creative process. Take your time, explore different options, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Once you've found the right domain, go ahead and register it with your preferred domain registrar. If you found this video helpful, please comment. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.